Stop it, stop it, stop it. Go back. I'm faster than you are. Oh, there you go. Got him. Yeah. Saving this bird. Could have died. Looks injured. How many birds nests have you got? Yeah, we should keep this bird and feed it. Bring it to Jersey.
What's up, guys? With Ryan today. Found this bird in the water. Ryan saved it. Injured bird. Ryan is a bird saver now.
You need to bring it back to
Yeah.
on this island. Don't just go back in the water. Don't drop it. He's all wet. He can't fly away. So his talons do kind of scratch. They scratch a little bit. Is he okay though?
So that's why I'm holding the camera.
His wings don't appear to be broken. He looks fine.
He's just soaking wet.
Yeah, his feathers are wet. He's too heavy to fly. We should put him.
Here,
Let's put him in the canoe for a minute and let him dry out. Here.
Okay.
Ow! Ow! Let go! Ow! Let go of me! Ow! Ow! Calm down! Calm down, bro.
I think it like down more.
Yeah, he wants his puppy. He wants his puppy.
Puppy chulo.
Puppy. No, hey, don't try and fly into the water, you idiot. Look, no, his bird family's right in there. They're all in there. Go put it in the bushes.
You can hear him.
Yeah. They're calling for him. Stop.
Yeah, puppy.
I say we eat him.
Come back.
Doctor, no. Walk in the water. There's a bird family. Okay, we're coming for you. Stop. You don't. Maybe he'll fly away. I think he'll fly away.
Just let him go. Just let him rock there.
I want to go find the other birds.
Just like throw him like
Just chuck him.
just chuck him in the grass, man.
Put him in one of those small bushes. Put him on a branch. There you go. Little homie.
Restored to his natural habitat.
Watch her just like stay there.